Welcome. In this tutorial, we'll write a JavaScript function to find the longest palindromic substring within a given string. A palindrome is a word or phrase that reads the same backwards as forward. This function is a perfect challenge to improve your substring logic and loop handling. Let's explore how it works and walk through the code step by step. The goal is to scan through the string to find the longest that is a palindrome. In the example, abracadabra, both akka and ada are palindromes of length 3, but in longer sequences, you might even find bigger ones like 1 to 9 back to 1. Let's see how this function handles these cases. We first define a helper function to check if a string is a palindrome. Then we loop through every possible starting point in the main string. With that, we test all substrings and update the result if we find a longer palindrome. At the end, we return the longest match we've discovered. The function looks at every starting index and pulls substrings from them. Each substring is checked to see if it's the same when reversed. We keep track of the longest one by comparing lengths during the loop. This ensures we always return the best match from the full string. Let's test the function with some real examples. In abracadabra, aka is the longest palindromic substring. In bananas, we find anana as the longest match, and in longer inputs, like strings with digits, the function still handles it efficiently. This function has practical use in biology, text processing, and game design. It is helpful for finding mirror-like patterns in DNA sequences or phrases. Text editors can use it for symmetry checks, while games might include it in puzzles. Let's close things out with a summary of what we've built. We have successfully created a function that scans through a string and identifies its longest palindromic substring. It is a powerful and useful tool when working with symmetric patterns. Try running this on different strings and see what it uncovers. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, share, subscribe for more JavaScript tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.